Scott was always curious about what he would be like in the future. Would he be rich and successful? Would he have a family? Would he die at a young age? He told his friends he wanted to see a psychic. They laughed at him and told him that psychics are just trying to take money away from customers who are too dumb to realize that they are being tricked. Scott blushed from embarrassment. Scott didn't care about what they thought. He went to see a psychic nearby. The place was dark and small. There were a lot of pretty pictures of mountains and sunsets. The psychic was a 40-year-old woman who was short and skinny. She wore a light orange dress with elegant jewelry. She had a crystal ball right in front of her. "I'm Sharon. What do you want to find out about today?" she asked. "I want to know about my career and family," he said. She rubbed the crystal ball with both of her hands and closed her eyes. "I see money. A lot of money," she said. Scott was happy to hear this. "However, I also see a divorce. You will be happy for a while, but then you will have a big argument about money," she said. Scott's smile turned into a frown. Scott told his parents about what the psychic told him. "Son, you have to just live your life. Don't let her scare you," Scott's dad said. His dad was right.